This type of different type of heat energies are there, and then they are talking about renewable and non-renewable sources. So you know what is renewable sources? Renewable sources are the one which can be recycled after some time or can be used, and that is not going to get finished, like your sun, it is not going to finish ever all. Your wind, so these all are renewable source of energy. After some time you can recycle it, you can utilize them again. But when it comes to non-renewable sources like coal, petroleum, they are going to vanish. If they are vanished, they are not going to come again. So coal, petroleum are the non-renewable source of energy. So renewable source of energy will come up to solar cooker, solar water heater, solar electrical panels, solar lights. Now to save our electricity we are using this solar panel because sun is of free time. It is you can utilize, you can recharge them, you can use the nowadays they are saying that we are going to invent that solar car can work on a solar. Let's see that invention will be there. Then we have light energy. So what is light? That help us to see an object. If there is no light, we can't see anything, right? If we are kept in a dark room, we are not able to see anything. So light energy is the energy that is used to see an object. It is a form of energy which help us to see an object. Like you have torches, bulbs, tube lights in your home, flashlights is there. So these are all lights which help you to see things. Then we have movies, we have film projectors which work on a light. If there is a light, dark room in the theater is there and light is being focused on the cinema, and then you have to watch a movie over it. Then we have different lights, like we have seen in the movies, light towers are there, right? In the sea we have kept a light towers ताकि रोशनी हर जगह घूमे and you can see what is going on in sea. So that is a light. So light helps you see a lot of things. Then comes to sound energy. Sound is something you can hear. If I am speaking, you are able to hear it all because of sound energy. If there was no sound, you will not able to understand what I am speaking and what you are telling me. So anything that music that vibrates, it's a sound. Anything that vibrates is a sound. And sound always need a medium. Always. Like sound cannot travel in a vacuum. Vacuum means जहाँ हवा नहीं होती. Where there is no air, there is vacuum. So sound need a medium over there. Any medium like solid, liquid, gas. Any medium can be there. So we have solid, liquid and gas, 3 medium. And solid travels fastest in solid. अगर आप if you are sitting on a bench, you can just knock it out. You can hear the voice clearly. When it comes to water, it is dim. पानी में आवाज़ कम हो जाती है. When it comes to air, if I am talking right now, I am very near to the speaker. That's why you are able to hear. If I go away from the speaker, will you able to hear me? No, that is not possible. So sound can be only heard when I am near to it. So when I talk to gases, the sound travels the least. Whenever I am in auditorium, if I want the last people to hear me in auditorium, I need a microphone. So I can speak it up so everyone can hear. So that is sound energy. Sound energy travels fastest in solid, then in liquid, then in gas. So sound is a form of vibration. It vibrates. And we have some audible range. हमारी सुनने की क्षमता कोई है. So that is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Our listening ability. So our hearing ability is 20 to 20,000 hertz. हम इस रेंज में ही सुन सकते हैं, ना इससे कम ना इससे ज़्यादा. So that is the range of us to hear any sound. Human ability to hear that sound. 20 to 20,000 hertz. Like जैसा अभी मैंने बताया था, न्यूटन फोर्स की यूनिट है, डिस्टेंस मीटर की यूनिट है. That's why for our sound we have unit hertz. HERTZ. So it's the name of a scientist. That's why H is capital. Hertz. This is the unit of sound. This you can hear it out. So more than 20 is also there, less than 20 is also there. So have you heard about ultrasound? Like people goes to a doctor to scan them. Like ultrasound करने जाते हैं stomach की when the mother is pregnant. They ultrasound like baby is healthy or not. So ultrasound is a wave, a range, a wave is being given so that we can see what is inside the stomach. So that is ultrasound. So sound strike to something, like if I am ultrasounding a object, if there is a stone over here, the wave is being given, the wave strike it and come back. So then you can the time it takes, you can see where the stone is, location of the stone, it can be through ultrasound. अल्ट्रासाउंड से आप लोकेशन लोकेट कर सकते हो. You can locate the stone position with the help of ultrasound. Just you have to strike a sound wave and it comes back and you get to know कितना distance travel किया and where the place is. Because while ultrasounding they have a monitor on which they can see what is going on inside our stomach. Always a sound strike and comes back. Like there are alloplanes moving in our atmosphere, right? You can hear the alloplane moving away, right? So if you are standing here and the alloplane is moving here, so there are form, like a wave can be given in the form of radar. So there is like a antenna types of waves is being given, sound wave is being rotated, and if there is any alloplane of our enemy, like कोई भी दुश्मन का जहाज यहाँ है, तो we can find it out with the help of radar. You just have to send a sound wave, sound wave will strike that alloplane or any helicopter and it will come back and you get to know कि where that helicopter is. So that is through radar. And if you have heard about submarine, so diagram is here. Submarine is a vehicle that can move inside the water and it outside the water. So submarine, if I want to locate a location of a submarine inside the water, or if I have to find out कि समुंदर की डेप्थ कितनी है, how much गहरा कितना है वो समंदर, so I can send sonar with sound that can I send inside the water. It is concerned with water, radar is concerned with air. So हेलीकॉप्टर को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए we use radar to detect the depth of the sea, or we get to know and if any submarine is there of our enemy, we can do through sonar. So we have different instruments also, like sitar, guitar, they all have their different sounds. No two instrument can have similar sound. So sound can be something we can hear it out. And then there are different forms of energy, like wind energy in, like in windmills. Tide energy, what is tide? लहरें, जो समुंदर में ऊंची लहरें होती हैं, high tide, low tide. So through tide also they have like dam inside the sea, they have created a dam. Whenever there is a high tide, this water strike it here and electricity is produced, and when there is a low tide, the water just strike and produce electricity. So that is tides. Then we have geothermal energy. Then like I told you, in मणिकरण there is a geothermal. धरती से हीट निकलती है, जिससे खाना बन जाता है, पानी उबल जाता है, स्टीम निकल रही होती है पानी से in मणिकरण. Then we have chemical energy, like in the battery of our remote, in our clock we have cells, they have a chemical energy. Then we have in a home cooking LPG, that also there is a chemical inside it. Then we have magnetic energy. I hope you know what is magnets, that attracts the iron towards it. So अगर आपके पास मैग्नेट है, दो मैग्नेट्स होते हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, बट दे शुड बी kept at some distance closer. If I have kept a magnet here and I have kept a nails here, so it will attract it. If I kept a magnet here and nails some far, it will not attract it. So attraction के लिए भी you have to keep magnet near, very close. So that is magnet energy. Then you have nuclear energy. I told you radioactive materials generate electricity. That is nuclear energy. So these are different types of energies. Next topic is transformation of energy. Like I told you in dams, how the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy and then kinetic to electrical energy. That is called conversion. हम एक energy को दूसरी energy में transfer करते हैं. Like when I talk about TV, if I switch on the TV, the electrical energy, that is due to electricity, that is converted into, in TV we can see light also and sound also. So that is interconversion of energy. One energy is transferred to another energy. Like when I talk about electric bulb, in our home we have electric bulb. If there is a light, electricity is there, electricity is converted into sound energy because you can hear a bell sound. When I talk about tube light, when I talk about tube light, the electrical energy is converted into light because light is coming out from it. That is interconversion of light. So one form of energy is transferred to another form. Like electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy when machines are moving, like fan, motor, food processor, खाना जिसमें आटा जिसमें बन जाता, food processor, washing machine, clothes is being washed. So electrical energy, if you have electricity, then only the washing machine will work, then only fan will work, then only motor will work. So electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in these examples. And when I talk about electrical to heat, then there is a press with which you press your clothes. So अगर बिजली होगी तभी कपड़े प्रेस होते हैं. So heat converted into. So we have electric room heater. You have heaters at home that will give you heat. Geysers there are which give you hot water. Oven, food is being heated up. Microwave, है ना. Oven and microwaves are different. And then we have electrical to light, like tube light, flashlights, है ना, tube light, bulb, LEDs, TVs, in which light will convert into electricity, will convert into light. Then electrical to sound, like electric bell. Example, electric bell is there, instruments are there, loudspeakers are there. Then electrical to magnetic. Magnetic means that is attract. Like nowadays we have like doors which are kept. To open the door you have magnet downstairs. So just keep that door near the magnet, the door will kept to be open. So nowadays we have doorbells. In doorbells they have electromagnets. We have in the speaker the electromagnets. And electroplating. Electroplating होता है किसी चीज़ का परत चढ़ाना. Like you have seen सोने की परत चढ़ती है ना सिल्वर के ऊपर. Even it is a silver but still it look like a gold. Then आपके खाने पर like सिल्वर की प्लेटिंग होती है या काजू कतली. That is electroplating. किसी की चीज़ की परत चढ़ाना. So inside a doorbell there is a magnet. Magnet होता है inside your school also. When the bell rung, there is an electromagnet. When you learn about magnet, you will get to know how the inside instrument is there. So in speaker also there is a magnet. It will attract and the speaker will start to move. Then electroplating, electric generators are there. Then you have to convert mechanical to electrical. Some machine will convert into electrical. That is electrical generator. जो आपके घर में बिजली आ जाती है. When the light is gone, you can on the generator, inverters. So your mechanical machine convert into electrical. बिजली आ जाती है. The fan will start to work. So that is electric generators. Windmills. Then chemical to electrical. Chemical मैंने बोला था your batteries are there. So battery convert into electrical. आपकी remote चलने शुरू हो जाता है. Electric form of electricity. Then you have chemical to heat. Like your food is being made in your home, LPGs are there. So burning food, cooking food, your chemical is converted into heat. LPG is a chemical that is converted into heat. Then chemical to mechanical. Your chemical will convert into mechanical like your automobiles, your machines. It will convert into mechanical. आपकी cars चलने शुरू हो जाती हैं because there are a lot of chemical. Petrol you put inside it, diesel you put inside it, right? And when you are doing exercises, exercising microphone, the sound is converted into electrical. Like windmill. Windmill is a better example. Like how sound is converted into electrical. That is wind energy, right? Sound energy is also there. Like sound is converted into electrical.